Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change music widgets on the following screen. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. This is my widget for music, and I can change it. All I need to do is use the apps icon, choose desktop customization, and select music widgets. As you can see, I can use one of the following widgets. It could be, for example, this radio, and then if we go back, we should see this radio. We don't see it right now. Let's see what happened. Let's choose it one more time, tap here, and here we need to tap confirm, and as you can see now we've got this radio. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.